The Kia Picanto facelift for the European market has been revealed. This comes after the debut of the Korean market morning facelift last month. The current model was introduced back in January 2017 and is due for a facelift which will freshen up its exterior styling, equipment kit and mechanical as per the latest trends. Up front, the 2020 Kia Picanto facelift comes with a new bumper, updated tiger nose grille, revised lower grille, and updated headlamps. The side profile comes with new 16-inch mag wheels, while the rear end features a new bumper and revised tail lamps. Also, there is a new Honeybee color option. While the interior of the 2020 Kia Picanto is largely unchanged, it gets a 4.2-inch color MIT and a new 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The updated infotainment unit can be connected to two Bluetooth devices at one time, and it also offers cloud-based voice recognition using Kakao's AI platform. As far as the mechanicals are concerned, the small car comes powered by a 1.0-liter naturally aspirated petrol mill. The unit is capable of producing 75 bhp of maximum power with 95 Nm of peak torque. The engine comes mated with either a 5-speed manual gearbox or a 4-speed automatic transmission. In other markets, the pre-facelift Picanto has been on sale with a 1.25-liter NPI petrol engine and 1.0-liter T-GDi turbocharged petrol engine.